Hello guys, this is Souvik here and today I will show you how you can access your computer from your Android smartphone. You just need a Gmail account and a good internet connection in your PC and in your smartphone. And then you will be able to access your computer from anywhere you are. But before going to the video, I suggest you to click on the red subscribe button and press the bell icon to be notified every time when I posted new videos on YouTube. What? Already done? Then let's get started. First, go to google.com and search for Chrome Remote Desktop. Then open the extension website and click on Add to Chrome and it will start downloading. Now click on Chrome Remote Desktop icon there and then click on Get Started, which is in the My Computer section, and click on Enable Remote Connection and tap on Accept and Install and it will start downloading. When the download will be completed, click on that to install. It takes a bit time to install. Now click on Launch App, then click on Enable Remote Connection again. Then create a PIN for the connection and retype that. And click on OK and it will start enabling the connection. Now go to your phone and open the Chrome Remote Desktop app. You will see your name there. Tap on that and give that PIN which you created before. And you will get your full computer screen there. Let me open my computer and show you. Pretty cool, right? And to get the right click function, tap with two fingers on the screen. Hope you guys like this video. My friend Agnibesh has a vlog channel on YouTube. You will get some awesome vlogs and some really cool cinematic shots there. Let me show you some clips from his vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed the clips. Then go to my description box and check out his channel to get more. And if you guys like my video, change the color of like button from black to blue. And if you have any queries regarding this video, just comment down. And don't forget to subscribe my and Agnibesh channel because we make something different. This is Souvik here. You are watching Souvik Pal YouTube channel and I am signing out.